Now the next question, fifth one homework for you, sixth we can do now. Sixth question, let ABC be a right triangle in which AB equal to 6 cm, BC equal to 8 cm and angle B equal to 90 degree. BD is a perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to the circle. So first step, we have to construct a right triangle with the given measurements. So AB is given as 6 cm, BC 8 and angle B 90. So angle B 90, base angle if you take, BC can be the base. Okay. So I'm going to draw a BC as base and BC is given as 8 cm. So this is 8 cm BC. BC. Then we have to construct the right triangle. So right angle want to construct at B. So here you can construct a 90 degree here. Either you can use compass, use construction also you can use, no problem. Or your protractor construction also you can do. So 90 degree. Then join. Then AB is given as 6 centimeters. So I want to take 6 centimeter in the compass. I want to take 6 centimeter in the compass and I want to keep here. Okay, want to keep here and draw the 6 centimeter there. Now we get that particular point A. This point is A and join to get that right triangle. Then after that we have to construct a perpendicular from the point B on AC. That means BD is a perpendicular. BD means the perpendicular should be like this. This is a way to get a perpendicular on AC. This is a point D. But perpendicular, you are not able to simply draw with the scale and pencil. You have to construct a perpendicular from a particular point B to this line AC means. So that type of construction is like this. This is the way you want to do the construction. So here want to keep and just want to extend the compass to reach 2 points. You can have to give this way. One umbrella construction we can do. This is the way one arc on to draw to intersect that AC at 2 points from B. Then after that you can keep here and draw the 2 arcs with a once again want to draw from here. Okay, then we can join. This can be the perpendicular from this B to that AC. Okay, now this is a point. This is a point D. Then they asked to suppose to find that draw a circle. Again want to draw a circle with a which intersect at the point. That means that circle should pass through B, C as well as D. So if the circle want to pass through B and C, if you take the midpoint of BC, then if you draw a circle, it surely passes through the B and C and also it passes through the D also. So you can take the midpoint of this BC. BC is 8 centimeter. So now we can take the midpoint as 4 centimeter. So where we get 4, you have to keep that as center this point and want to keep this radius as surely it passes through this D. Look here, C as well as B. Okay. Next step, we need to construct tangents from the point A to this circle. This is a circle. You want to draw the tangent. If you want to draw like that, if this is a center means, give this as O. So this circle want to construct a tangent from A means, first step one, you want to join this O to A. With the scale and pencil, draw AO. First step, center to that particular point. So O. Then after that, what is the next step? Want to do the construction of perpendicular bisector of this OA. So want to do this way. 1. Okay, 1, 2. From here also another 1, 2. Once again want to extend it. 1. Okay. So these are the two arcs to draw the perpendicular bisector. Then join these two pair of arcs. Point of intersection of this pair of arcs to get the midpoint or bisect. Now we have to draw the circle. Another circle. Now second circle want to keep here. This is a point and this is that. Then we have to draw another circle which intersect in that. Sorry. Okay, now we get this is one already one tangent is ready. This is the next one tangent from A. This is a point of intersection. Here this is a point, this is that particular point. Two circle, sorry, this is a particular point. This is a point of intersection of this one circle, this circle. This is a point of intersection and this is a point of intersection. So want to draw from this A to that point. This is one tangent and this is another tangent. Giving the name as, here it is B, C, E. E. So AB and AE is a required tangent. AB and AE are the required tangents. Then one more question is there. Draw a circle with a help of a bangle that you have to do as a homework. So that is a end of this exercise and this chapter also. So in this chapter 11.2 full questions want to do, and division of a line segment, the first question we discussed. Now we have discussed that question is in the exercise number 11.1. Fun question is there, that also homework for you. Okay, so 11.1 one question homework, first question. Then 11.2 first and second homework. Then now you get one question fifth homework as well as seventh also homework.